Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a simple but essential product for anyone using solar garden lights. The Alpine Corporation AA NiCd replacement rechargeable batteries, sold in a set of 4. If you have solar landscape lighting around your home or garden, you've probably noticed that after a season or two, those lights don't stay on as long as they used to. The most common reason is that the rechargeable batteries inside have worn out. These Alpine replacement batteries are designed specifically to restore your lights to their original performance. Let's start with compatibility. These are AA NiCd cells, which stands for nickel cadmium. Many solar garden lights, especially those made by Alpine Corporation, use this exact chemistry. They directly replace the batteries in your existing Alpine solar decorations and lawn lights. Even if you have lights from other brands, they may still work, but the fit is guaranteed for Alpine products. Installation is as easy as it gets. You open the battery compartment of your solar light, remove the old batteries, and pop these in. There's no wiring, no tools, and no technical know-how required. Just make sure you insert them with the correct polarity, positive and negative ends aligned, and you're done. Performance-wise, these batteries offer an extended life of 6 to 8 hours on a single charge. That's enough to get you through a typical summer night. Of course, actual runtime depends on how much sunlight your light receives during the day, but they hold a charge well and provide steady, dependable power. One thing to note, NiCd batteries have a memory effect. To keep them performing well, it's best to occasionally let them discharge fully before recharging. But for most casual users, just swapping them in and letting the solar panel do its job works fine. The set comes with 4 batteries, which is enough for most small lights or clusters. They are sold in a simple blister pack. No frills, but that keeps the price low. Compared to other rechargeable options like NiCd batteries are slightly older technology. They have lower capacity and contain cadmium, which is toxic. However, they are perfectly adequate for garden lights and they work well in cold weather. If you live in a cooler climate, NiCd may actually outperform NiMH. A word of caution, please recycle old batteries properly. Do not throw them in the trash. Many retailers offer take-back programs. In summary, if your solar garden lights are not lasting as long as they used to, the solution is often as simple as replacing the batteries. The Alpine Corporation AA NiCd set is an affordable, easy-to-install fix that can give your lights a new lease on life. They are reliable, compatible, and restore that warm welcome to your pathway or garden. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.